If for 10 years, if you didn't avoid doing what you knew you needed to do, what would you be like?
And where down we go,
What did you do, guys? So right there was what my setup used to be like before I started hustling, before I started making money from Forex. Almost forgot, guys, before we get into it, let's just subscribe to my channel, guys, and appreciate the hard work that I did. Like, did you see how my setup used to be like? And like, look at it now. So guys, let's just like subscribe to my channel right now, so I can like keep on doing these contents for you guys, you know the vibes. So let's just reach me to 1K. Let's push road to 1K, guys. So let's have a moment of silence to the newer viewers, or the viewers that haven't subscribed, to subscribe. Yeah, so the moment of silence is done now. So I know you guys just click, and it's for free, guys. Like, just like let's do it for the channel, guys. Let's do it for the boy. And let's reach 1K, guys. 1K subs using this video, because this video is gonna be lit, you know what I'm saying? Then let's go now. Okay, guys, so let's start with the table. So this table here is an RGB carbon fiber cable, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so it changes lights. Yeah, and then it's carbon fiber. Yeah, it's carbon fiber, and then this is the RGB. So let me get the remote. Yeah, this is the table that I use, and it's very strong, because I can even stand here. See, I can even stand. You know? Like, it's so strong, this table. I can even stand there. So yeah, so this is a close-up view of the table. So this is the carbon fiber here, and then these are the RGB lights, you know. So those are the RGB lights for the table. And then now let's talk about the mouse pads. So we have this mouse pad here. This is from Kenyan, like this Kenyan Gaming. So this is the mouse pad. It's written weapons for winners. Yeah, so here it is. But my favorite is this one. You see this one, guys? This one is my favorite. Like, just look at the design. If you can remove the keyboard, and yeah, it's a little bit dirty here. So you can remove like these things. So let me just remove so you can see properly. Guys, no, let me not. So this here is the mouse pad, Kenyan Gaming. Yeah, I bought it this year. Last year, I'm not sure when I put this thing, but yeah, this is the mouse pad. It's very big, and it's durable as well. It's spongy material. Yeah, and here's it is rubber underneath. Yeah, and it has these graphics here, very nice. So what I love about this mouse pad is, look at this. It has wireless charging. Yeah, so I can also charge my phone. Yeah, you know, wireless charging. And then you can also change the colors of the RGB. Yeah, so you see now it's blue, yellow, like there's a variety of colors. Then you can also do this whereby it like does these colors for itself. So yeah, with the pads I think we're almost done. And then I also have this pad here. I also put here, it came with the table. This one, it's big, but then I put it underneath because it's not custom, it's just a normal mouse pad. So yeah, so I have 3 pads on the table. Oh, almost forgot. We also have these cable management holes here on the table. So you see, it goes there, that goes there. And then the keyboard. This is the keyboard that I am using right now. So this one is from Gamdias. It's an ISP2 RGB. So it has this volume thing. They use it for volume, you know, and it also has blue light around it. So this one is very nice, and I also have these control panels here. So this one is for videos and music, and when I want calculator I press the, when I want internet, yeah, it's just, yeah, quick options. And then this is the mouse I'm using, but then it's quite old now. See, it came with the keyboard, so here it is over there. So but then this keyboard is very nice, guys. You see, here's the RGB of the keyboard. Yeah, it's dope, don't wanna lie. So guys, this is the laptop that powers the setup for now. So it's a Lenovo IdeaPad S145, you know. So yeah, this one has been here for years. It was the laptop that I was using on the first setup. So it's this one. It's an i3 10 Gen. So yeah, it's very powerful because it's been working and it's always on the charger. So I'm sometimes scared this thing may die soon. I don't know where, but then it's been working and it's still fresh though. So big up to this guy, like he's been there for years, guys. So like here the cables all getting connected to this laptop. So yeah, I also use it for multitasking when I'm using my biggest screen. Maybe I'm still editing here or sending things on my mentorship group. You see, when like I'm multitasking, I use this screen and then I use this one. But then some of you may be asking, would see how come it's like obstructs how come it obstructs this view? It doesn't, because you see when I'm in the charts, like the chart is usually this side. Let me show you. So it doesn't obstruct any view, you see, because the current market price is this side, you see. So like everything I do this side isn't obstructed, because this TV I use it for multitasking. And then like this TV is a Samsung, it's a 43-inch I don't know, HD or something, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, right now I'm on a trade even, guys. I'm on a trade, so take a look. I'm on a trade and I'm running deep in profits. I'm gonna show a screenshot right there so you can see that I executed the position. So yeah, I'm deep in profits, running almost 2%. I'm running almost 2% profits. And so guys, for my microphone, this one, it's a Fafine T669, sorry. So here is the box of the Fafine. It's new as well. I bought it recently, so it's a condenser microphone. Here it is. So yeah, everything's still there inside. See, this is the tripod stand. This is the tripod stand. It's here. It has a tripod stand, and then it has this thing also, and yeah, all the other stuff that I don't use. But yeah, and then I also have these headphones here. So I used to use these ones before I had the mic. I used to use this microphone here. Yeah, but now I don't use them that much. I just use them if I'm gaming or watching YouTube videos. If I want to deeply focus, then I put them here. So that's where they stay. And then now for the best part, let's go to the PC. So guys, this is the box for my PC and everything for this thing. Yeah, this one. So the motherboard of my PC is this. This is the motherboard that I use. So it's Tough Gaming B460 Pro Wi-Fi. This is very expensive. So yeah, this is the motherboard, guys. My machine. And then also have the power supply. See, I bought these things all new. So this is the power supply from Gum Gears. I like Gum Gears, but guys, this is a great brand. This is the Kratos M1 600 watts bronze watts. So yeah, RGB. It's an RGB power supply. Shout out. And what else do we have here? We also have this. But this is just entry level, guys. This the CPU I'm using is i3 10100F 10 gen. This one. But then I'm gonna upgrade soon. But yeah, entry level. So I didn't want to complicate things. We just bought this one. New. What do we also have? We also have the SSD we're using. See, Samsung. Look at the speed. Just look at the speed, guys. So yeah, this is the Samsung M.2 SSD I'm using for the gaming PC, and it is not yet complete. Removed. Let's put it there. So now this is the bloody inside. So